This is Kevin Menager for Vice President for Bargaining in Local 1000. Among other things, this pandemic has revealed the shortcomings in both the state and the union in dealing with the health and safety crisis. Although it has been ignored for many years, our policy file actually requires the union to have a standing health and safety committee under the direction of the Vice President for Bargaining. And the state is starting to open up now and requiring workers to come back to the office, just as new and more contagious strains of COVID are on the uprise. Local 1000 needs to put health and safety of our people front and center. As Vice President for Bargaining, I will reinstitute the union's Health and Safety Committee and introduce stronger language to protect workers both during and after COVID. This includes teleworking. As CalHR works to develop a better telework policy, each department is on its own and our people fall prey to this inconsistency between departments. The union needs to be an active, not passive voice in this conversation. We should not just sit around and wait for something to react to. And health and safety goes beyond protecting us against viruses and diseases, but also protecting us against the cancer of bullying. Bullying by bad bosses looking to score points upstairs, and bullying by our peers when management turns a blind eye. This topic has come up in every bargaining cycle, and it's time we did more. Beyond just contract language, I will work with the VP of Organizing and Representation to institute anti-bullying trainings to empower stewards and members. We do not tolerate such behavior in our children's schools. We must not tolerate it in our workplace. We all deserve a safe and harassment-free workplace. It is the law, after all. And while we're on the topic of bullying, let's get the same kind of anti-bullying protections we demand from the state into our policy file. Let us not fool ourselves into thinking just because we're the union that we're free from such issues. Vice President for Organizing and Representation, Annika Walls, introduced just such a proposal before, and it's time we bring it back. Local 1000 volunteers, officers, and staff all deserve the dignity of a bully-free workplace. I'm Kevin Menager, and I hope I can count on your support for this do-over election for Vice President of Bargaining.